All right, what's going on, everybody? We're getting right into it. Guys, Bitcoin's got most likely a little bit more upside in it here. Today, we're going to go dig deep into the smaller time frames and really analyze how this correction can finish up. That can lead to some more upside and where our targets are. Important updates in this one. I'm also going to go over the wild card count. I'm going to show you why I think we still have some more upside in Bitcoin. We're also going to hit on DOT because someone left a comment. They wanted me to chart DOT in the last video. Guys, leave a comment down below in the comments on what asset, crypto, stock, commodity that you want me to chart. If I like your comment, I will chart it in my next video. So leave a comment down below. Alright guys, why does Bitcoin have a little more upside in it? Oh, I got so many charts open I can't even keep track. Well, it's really as easy as this for me, guys. RSI is resetting quite nicely. Price is staying up in this zone. We are past, this is hidden bullish divergence that we have right now on the charts. RSI is resetting nicely. Price is lingering. I think we have another spike to the highs coming in, and it's going to complete our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure. It's an Elliott Wave impulse, and then that will complete our 5th wave of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5th of the 5th right there, and we will have a nice correction at least, but probably a nice impulse down. That's big picture what we're looking at, just to kind of get you familiar with everything here as we get closer up. Guys, join the Discord. It's linked free in the description down below. In the Discord, we've been kind of playing these chops. This is in the premium Discord here. There is a free option down here. I do post, give like an alert a week to the free guys. I'm in the chat, but this is in the premium. Just kind of playing these corrections. Let's see, this is yesterday right here. We're playing an ABC. I have that pulled up right here, this literal move, and we're just gonna watch how it played out. Skip to the 15-minute, and we'll just let that run. Boom, target hit right there. Okay, so played out perfectly. Guys, when you're fluent in Elliott Wave Theory, when you know how to trade these waves, when you can see these price structures, you got to see into the future as a trader. Elliott Wave helps you do that. Here's another one from today's price action. I have that literally right here, the same chart. We're gonna go again to the 15-minute, so this can zoom across a little faster for us, and we'll see how this one played out. Guys, this is the power of Elliott Wave Theory. Boom. Alright. Target hit right here. So Elliott Wave gives you clear invalidations and clear take profit zones. When you're proficient in fib extensions, retracements, how these waves operate, it makes trading a little bit more easier. So join the Discord if you want to learn. I'll see you in there. Also, guys, if you leverage trade, use MEXC. I have it linked in the description below. There's no KYC, no VPN. You get 10% off the lowest fees. MEXC has the lowest fees around right now. 10% off those fees in the description below if you use my link, and up to $1,000 deposit bonus. This is what I use to trade. Back into the chart. Let's zoom in on Bitcoin here. So we're looking essentially for 5 waves to finish up. So something like that. Now, before we go into the structure, I just want to point out the wildcard count is a flat. So we're saying the 3 waves finished here. I have a flat here. I have, if you want to measure this, it's the corrected pockets right here. We are right on that, depending on how you pull these fibs. So one can call this a very extended ABC like that. Now, I'd say this is not my primary count. This is a wildcard count, but it can happen. So we have our ABC. So we have a correction here, that broke the top. We would expect an impulse down if you want this to be a large ABC flat correction. Okay? Here, give the neon. And that would imply we have one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hit to the highs coming in play. And that would be our 4-way finished into our 5th. This is a wild card count. You guys need to be aware that this is on the table. I just think that with RSI already resetting that much, this is on the 4-hour. If you go to the daily, what's that looking like? Here, let's get rid of all of our drawings. Daily hasn't reset at all. So, I mean, this is liable to come down and reset. Has enough to come down into these levels. And then we can go up and make triple divergence. And then we dump. Maybe do a little head and shoulders type action. And that would be our correction and then our impulse up to finish 5 waves. It's a very live count, guys, and you need to be aware of it. It's not the most probable, but it is very live. It's probably my second most probable. So let's zoom in on this and just assume that we are going to go and finish a 5 waves. What is this correction looking like? Well, initially, I have a correction down, correction up, 3 waves down. So right there, I want to say that's a finished flat. And then we came and we took out the low again. So I'm kind of looking at this more so as a WXY type of junky, crazy flat. All right. Everything's kind of pointing down right now. In the Discord, you know that we played this move. We played that perfectly, and I totally closed out on my long right here, but I was waiting for a little higher to enter short. I thought we were gonna come into this zone and then I was gonna go short. Doesn't look like it's gonna give it to us right now, but yeah, I mean the general direction is down here, and it's gonna come in the form of, I have a zigzag here, probably another zigzag here. Probably come down into this liquidity zone, kind of fake everyone out like we're going to start pumping, and then dump again, take out all this liquidity right in here. Be a perfect grab, and then we can impulse up out of here up to 55K. So it's some sort of modified flat, WXY type of flat where it's just corrections. You don't got to impulse off the top. It's more so corrections. See it honestly quite frequently, especially with crypto. So once again, let me draw this cleaner. WXY, and within that I have a WXY. Change that to gray, and we're looking for some type of A, B, C. Maybe barely take that out, come up, something like that. And then we'll go for a 5-wave finish up to 55K. That's my primary count, guys. That's what we're looking at. As we zoom out, you can see it looks nice. That would finish our 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's good time-wise. It just looks right. As I zoom out even more, finishes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's the 5th of the 5th of the 5th. You know we're coming down hard after that. All right. Let's take a look at DOT, guys. DOT, quite simply, I think alt season is going to come. Now pay attention. This is for DOT and all other alts. Alt season is going to come when Bitcoin finishes pumping. Probably we'll get a dump off the high. All right, something like that. And usually if you look at Bitcoin's past and altcoins past, when Bitcoin retraces this move, this is your alt season. That's when alts start running. Ethereum and your alts will start running during this leg. And that's just Bitcoin's correction for more downside. But tends to be where alts give you more upside. So maybe this leg would be Bitcoin's correction. Now for DOT, I'm seeing a correction looking to finish up here. in the form of a WXY, and I'm looking for a more immediate wave kind of to the downside to start playing out. This might need some more upside in it. Let's pull fibs. Maybe you can come up to here when Bitcoin goes for its high. So this can extend out. So when Bitcoin goes for 55K, here's dot. When it rejects off that 55K area, that's what we're looking for. Liquidity sweep down here to these areas. You're gonna probably just pull a fib, honestly. Maybe come down to the 786, 618, and then when Bitcoin retraces that initial dump, if it happens, alt season, you know, dot's looking at something like a 160% move. Gonna come tap into this fair value. And I just got this target, honestly, by pulling fibs on where I think it would go. And right here is just the extension box. That's what I see for dot. I hope that makes it a little more clear for you, brother. Guys, I appreciate you watching the video. I will see each and every one of you in the Discord. Subscribe if you haven't already. So close to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. I love y'all. See you in the next one. Bye.